Let's double check the updates for Horizen with my customer said. Guys, almost on 12 time frame, we already touched it. The buy line just a few days ago, I shared with you the notification on free Telegram channel. Highly recommended, by the way, join this channel. So just a few cents, and I think we will touch this line. You can add another alert, take profit, the buy line. Of course, I wish we will not see these lines, but in many cases, we'll come back and test this line. Sometimes still pennies, sometimes a little bit lower. I don't think so. We will drop and sweep the low of October 10. It's around $6.58 around. But it's possible to test even the fundamental value of this stock, and on the daily time frame, it's $5.75. On the weekly time frame, the test of the buy line also possible. So it's $7.15 in average. So $7.15. So maybe we will drop a little bit lower under the buy line on the daily and test the $7.15 on the weekly. So just in case, from now, it can be like $7.15, around 11% drop. So just all eyes now on Japan Bank and their decision about the rates. Usually on a history, it's playing out like a correction for the BTC, but maybe this time will be different, and all this potential hike rates in Japan already priced it in on the BTC. I hope we not drop again on the 85K, 82K for BTC, because the sentiment now on the market, so we should go straight forward to the 70K. So when you open the feed, by magic, just people who recently scream it to the moon, we go into 150, 180K, now talk about a 70K like, oh, it's okay. It's okay. I need to pretend I'm always right. So it's kind of weird, how you flip-flop, from one side to another side. So just farm engagement. So you stick to your plan, and after that, if the plan wrong, just write the post. So this plan was wrong. What's the problem? Many posts I shared on Twitter, some idea was wrong, totally wrong. And maybe the ZEN idea also will be wrong. I will share this idea on trading, so we'll come back and double check it. So locally, of course, this levels what I wish to see. Let's double check, guys, with ADZ direction. ADZ all the time, I forgot, I can't show it on the encrypted ticker. Some accumulation since beginning of December on the daily time frame, it's accumulation. Last time the same accumulation was here in September. So technically it's good. 12 time frame, also some accumulation. Here was some accumulation, bounce, drop, again accumulation. But I don't think so we will drop under the $6 or so, but it's possible. It's possible. I showed you, possible scenarios. If this is a left shoulder, this is a right shoulder, this is a head, and we will form only the right shoulder. So this is not a right shoulder. In this case, yes, we'll go to under even $2, but I hope not. So 750, it's more than real to see in the next few days. So take profit line now on Horizen 1643, exit line 1850. Got it. Direction, no signals to sell. Let's go to market mode. It's capitulation on the 12 time frame. It's good. It's capitulation on the daily. So here it was time to sell, Afria. Now it's capitulation. Let's mark the money power indicator. Some money inflow was 1, 2, 3 days in a row. Money in around $10. We bounced it to $10. Maybe someone out at the break even. Here's another accumulation. So technically it's good. Technically it's good. Weekly, it's kind of not so good because no money inflow. So no rush, guys. We still got like 14 days before the next this year, before the 2026. So I think the best case, if we just retest the buy line and start climbing up to sweep this high 24 and this high So around $50, it's possible to see. Now let's focus on the local time frames and not talk about a global one. And global targets I already shared with you. So money power, no money inflow yet. Nothing, guys. VRVP, visible range. Let's double check. Oh, we can't check it on crypto. All right, I would like to show it on the Binance. We saw the signal take profit on the 12 time frame and signals to buy, but still no signal to take profit on daily. So let's add alerts, take profit from sale. It's going to be a pretty good one. Today, by the way, we just saw the strong buy signal on VeChain. I added yesterday in video, and Algo. In September, I added alert on the daily time frame, buy on trade on indicator on the daily. So it's a good one. And to yesterday, we saw the signal buy line on a Digibyte. So pretty good one. So I'm waiting the same story for Horizen now. And take profit, I already showed you. I would like to double check the VRVP. Horizen, we need to use the Binance, for example, chart. We trade, by the way, inside a global accumulation zone. It's 1791, 637. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 637, but it's possible. VRVP, visible range. So point of control now, it's 1264 at volume area high, volume area low. So now we're already past the volume area low. So under, basically no volume, nothing. It's kind of scary, you know, of course, because not so much orders, but maybe they we will see that orders soon to buy. Volume area high is 1678. So at least, guys, I wish to see something like this one. Rejected point of control and find the rejection here and start climbing up to the with the uptrend structure, high lows. This is it. Let's double check on a 12 time frame. Height, this one. So point of control now the same level, yes, around 1260 point of control. So just all eyes now, guys, on Japan and the bank about the rate. Next few days will be so crucial for the crypto, you know, for BTC and for altcoins. I don't think so, by the way, about a BTC dominance will go over than 61% again, but it's possible. It's possible. So be careful when you think we now exactly at the bottom on alts. Just be ready to see another bottom like a gift for any alts. I hope you like this video, guys. Write plus send a comment what you think about a Horizen. If you'd like to trade with my customer, I will show it in this video. Write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.